How THC works. Uncovering the secret of the endocannabinoid system. Imagine a hidden network inside your body that functions as a command center for everything, from your mood to your pain levels and even your memory. This secret network is called the endocannabinoid system, or ECS. But what happens when we add THC, the active compound in cannabis, to this network? How does THC actually work in your body? Let's take a journey together to uncover the science behind it. What is the endocannabinoid system? Our body has an internal network, the endocannabinoid system, which was discovered only a few decades ago. This system, known as the ECS, is a complex web of receptors, enzymes, and endocannabinoids, chemical messengers that our bodies naturally produce. The goal of the ECS? Simple. Maintain balance within the body, a concept known as homeostasis. The ECS influences many vital functions, such as pain, how you experience and regulate it; mood, whether you feel happy or down; sleep, appetite, and immune response, how your body fights disease. When something in your body is out of balance, the ECS sends signals to restore equilibrium. What is THC and how does it work? Where does THC come into this story? THC, short for tetrahydrocannabinol, is the main psychoactive compound in the cannabis plant. When you consume cannabis, THC enters your bloodstream and quickly binds to receptors in your ECS, specifically CB1 receptors. These CB1 receptors are primarily located in your brain and nervous system. When THC binds to a CB1 receptor, something interesting happens. It changes the way your brain receives signals. This can alter how you feel things, make you laugh at something you wouldn't normally find funny, or even put you in deep thought. This happens because THC essentially gives your brain a boost, affecting your perception. It's like your brain suddenly begins to broadcast on a different frequency. What does this mean for your body? So, THC creates a sort of domino effect. It doesn't just affect your mood and perception, it can also alter pain sensations and influence sleep. Why does this happen? THC impacts the natural balance in the ECS, often amplifying or diminishing reactions that the ECS already controls. Pain relief. Many people turn to cannabis for pain relief. This is because THC, via CB1 receptors in the brain and nervous system, can alter the pain signals sent to your brain. This is why individuals with chronic pain often benefit from THC. Increased appetite. The classic munchies effect comes from THC activating areas in the brain responsible for appetite. This can be especially helpful for people with medical conditions that reduce appetite. Reduced stress and anxiety. For some, THC can ease stress and elevate mood. This effect happens because THC impacts parts of the brain that regulate emotions and mood. However, not everyone experiences THC in the same way. Just like with other substances, people react differently to THC. How THC differs from your body's natural cannabinoids. Now, you might wonder, doesn't my body already make its own cannabinoids? Yes. Our bodies naturally produce substances similar to THC but specifically designed for our ECS. One well-known example is an endomida, also called the bliss molecule. An endomida regulates mood, creating feel-good moments after exercise or when you eat chocolate. THC is like a mimic of these natural compounds but acts a bit differently. It binds slightly stronger to receptors than, say, an endomida, often creating stronger and longer-lasting effects. What happens as THC wears off? Our body has a built-in cleanup system for cannabinoids, which involves enzymes that gradually break down THC. This breakdown process is why the effects of THC diminish over time and eventually disappear. As THC is broken down, your body slowly returns to its natural balance. However, with regular use, your ECS can adjust, potentially leading to tolerance, meaning you may need more THC to feel the same effect. The fascinating ECS and THC's role. The endocannabinoid system is an essential system that plays a major role in maintaining balance in the body. THC, from the cannabis plant, can interact with this system in fascinating ways, often affecting mood, pain sensation, and appetite. The ECS remains a hot topic in research, with each new discovery giving us a glimpse into just how complex and amazing our bodies truly are. Whether this is your first deep dive into how THC works or you already knew a lot, it's important to remember that THC and the ECS work subtly and uniquely for each person. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more interesting topics on the body, brain, and the incredible world of the endocannabinoid system.